Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, we are doing a mini detail on a vehicle that is about an hour away from our headquarters. So stay tuned to see if it's worth it for us and what we think about the situation.
Tony, what are you doing to this car?
Mini detail.
And a new customer, you said?
No, I've actually done this.
Oh, you done
customer, but not this car.
Oh, okay, new car, but same customer. Cool, cool. And how long should this one take you guys?
About an hour.
An hour? Cool, cool.
Toyotas and Hondas are probably some of the hardest carpets to work with.
Why is that, or why do you feel that way?
Seems like they tear up a lot, as you can tell, like right here. And a lot of stuff just seems to get really stuck in there, and for the most part you can't rub it out unless you like shampoo or really loosen it up with a brush. And that takes a lot longer.
So Tony, how's the traffic on your way over here?
It's pretty bad. We're coming from Fontana. It was about a 40-minute drive.
And like,
So from our last location to this location, it was a 40-minute drive.
what about the gas, dude?
It's gonna be about almost a half tank just from our previous location to here, and then from here to get back home. It's gonna be almost half a tank, roughly.
And then you say you had to fill up on water and stuff?
Yeah.
And drop off some materials?
Roughly half a tank's about 40 bucks.
Shoot.
For the van.
So far, this detail, you think it was worth driving all the way out here?
Probably not, but honestly the drive, well, I didn't think it was going to be this far, to be honest. I thought the drive was going to be like a 25-minute drive max. Yeah. I was hoping for like 20-ish, but it's Friday and there's a bunch of traffic because people don't know how to drive.
Got that right.
Welcome to California.
So Tony, what would you recommend for this customer's vehicle?
Definitely a level 1 at least. Paint's feeling really rough. There's no protection on it, so when we rinsed it, the water just stuck to it. No hydrophobic properties, no self-cleaning properties. A lot of the dirt and grime gets stuck on it, a lot of the bugs. So at least a level 1 to make it smooth and a bit shiny again. Yeah. But if you see, it's silver, so it's a little hard to notice, especially on camera. Yeah. But if you put sunglasses on, you'll be able to tell that it's actually getting dull. I'm pretty sure this car's not that old. It's a 2017, so it's about a 5-year-old car. You can see a lot of swirls and the paint's starting to get dull and affected. So if the client wanted to, I'd probably also recommend a level 1, or I mean a level 2, yeah. Which is a polish and a paint enhancement package. So it includes a polish. It has a couple scratches over here, so it would reduce the look of these scratches and bring up that gloss again on the paint. Remove a lot, 50% or more of the swirls and defects. Yeah. And it also includes the wax and the sealant, so for some protection, and it includes the full prep as well. So everything the level 1 includes is included in the level 2, but it also the level 2 includes the polishing, paint polishing, to remove a lot of you might be able to see even better over here. If you move around over here, the sunlight's hitting it on the trunk, you can see a bunch of swirls and scratches. Can you see from over here, this angle?
See right here, look.
Because I see it best from this angle. When I'm looking at it from right here, you could really see, if you probably put the brightness down, you might be able to see a lot of those swirls and scratches that it has. And so yeah, or we could also do the new vehicle protection package on this, which is kind of the same thing as the level 2, except that it includes a 3-year ceramic coating for long-term protection.
Okay. So anything for the interior?
Interior's not too bad. It could use possibly a full interior detail. It's not like super bad, but it would make it look brand new again with the full interior detail. Yeah. Or we could do mini interior detail, steam cleaning, and then conditioned seats, which is not necessarily our full interior detail, because our full interior detail includes the extraction and whatnot.
Yeah.
But it would get it looking a lot better with that. It's a more affordable option.
So 52 minutes. Do you still think driving out here was worth it?
For one car, not necessarily, but it was all right because we booked it in, so we can't just like back out. Like, you know, once I book it in, I can't be like, hey, you know what, the drive's kind of far, so I'm not gonna go. Like, nah, I already booked it in, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep my word. So just knock out the car. Yeah. But for the future reference, now I know in mind that like I gotta make sure I got a couple cars out here or closer in this range, just because it's way too much driving time.
20?
Yeah.
Like a number or something?
Yeah, our number's right there. Do you live here or?
Right across the street, bro.
The only problem is we're not really here in this area often, so you'd have to drop off at your shop unless you go with the higher package. But for many details, like we don't usually come out here. That's because we're from San Bernardino.
An hour drive, but a lead.
Yeah, we got a lead. So that's cool.
So Tony, a quick update on the detail.
We're almost done, so I'm about to finish up the spray wax. He's wiping down the wheels. He's about to be done with that. Then we just got windows inside and out, and then just double check everything, and that should be about it.
Finishing touches on the windows, Joseph?
Yeah.
Were these tough today, or?
These ones are coming out pretty. It's pretty hard to do these ones because there's a lot of smudges in them.
Yeah.
And this is the sunny side, so it's smudging up pretty bad or streaking up pretty bad because it's drying up pretty fast. So I think this one's just about done. I'll have to go over it a few times.
Yeah.
The sunny side's usually the hardest because I usually struggle with the windshields, but this time it actually came out pretty quickly.
Yeah.
But I think that's because the sun wasn't really shining directly on them, and I struggled with these ones pretty bad. So.
Joseph broke it. I'm gonna have to charge him, take it out of his paycheck. I'm gonna get too low because the residue.
Okay, you're good.
You know what I'm saying? You can get the towel. For the top. All right, well, there you guys have it. There's what we think about driving an hour out for a mini detail. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys feel about driving an hour away for a mini detail or a similar type of package. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.